to the egg house. Got my pink fondant rolled out, cut it like we have in the others. And this one right here has the purple and everything, but it's all mostly done the main piece with the pink fondant. So that's kind of nice. Wrap that back up. Okay, so lift this up. Let me clean up those edges right there. Clean them, clean those. Little water on the back. And flip it on over. Okay, just kind of make sure it's on there. Make sure the roof line lines up, which right now it doesn't, so just stretch it out a tiny bit. And a tiny bit here, here. And this needs to just come up, just like that. Okay, now I want this to be a straight line here, so you just have to make sure that this ends up being straight again. And then here, this could go out just a tiny bit, so just push it with your finger, just a tiny bit out there. And a tiny bit on this side. Again, so you can still see the cookie, but just so it's more rounded there like the egg would be. Now to the veining tool. Okay, I start with the roof line. So I'd start right about in here. You can either start here or here. This gives you a better idea of how wide you need to go. And then you can just kind of stop about there, come in from this side, go up, and then finish off your line over here. And do it lightly, and then you can always go back over it, make it a little deeper, just like that. Then there's a line here. I'll switch to this knife and scriber, and I'm going to draw a line straight across. This is going to be like a brick chimney, and then I'll do little random lines, one there, one here, one here, and one there for the bricks. Now in this area, I like to give a little bit of a design, and what I do is I just take this and I just kind of give it a little bit of a swirl, just kind of grooves back and forth, and one more row here, and then down here at the bottom, I want to curve this down and back up. And then want to do a couple of lines in the egg. So right about here, maybe a ½ inch up from the bottom, one there, about a ¼ of an inch wide, another one there, and then one here, and another one below it. So instead of running into that, then I'll come back this way and make the little lines also. Okay? All right, after that, what we can do are, you can either paint first, or you can go ahead and add some of the details. I'm actually going to add some of the details of the door and things. So I've got some little tools here to help me out. You don't have to have them, but it kind of makes it a little more fun. These are just some oval little cutters to do the windows. I've got a small rectangle one to do my window boxes. And this is a small embosser, so I can press and make a design on my window boxes. So first I need to start with the door and the windows, which will be with the blue. And I'm going to start with the big one. And this is the biggest oval I had, but I actually need it to be a little bit bigger. So once I cut it out, I'm just going to go ahead and roll it a little bit more this way, up and down, and also a little bit more to the right and to the left. Usually start in the middle when you do that. Then I'll pick it up, and you can kind of shape, see how it looks like it goes out a little farther. All you have to do is push that in. A little bit of water, right about here, and then place that right on top for our door. An egg house with an egg door. That's more of an oval. It doesn't matter though, it could be egg. Okay, and then on this one, since it's a front door, I'm gonna make some little grooves like they're wood slats, and then just some random lines in here.